Hey, what's up, you guys? This is MCLegoboy here with Heatstroke and Dune Grinder. Heatstroke, basically Doom whenever you're in a desert. So, as you can see, that's why I named the team Doom. Anyway, this guy isn't really related to anybody. He's actually the same person as Millennium, but he isn't quite the same person. It's actually a clone, hence the yellow skin. If you remember, back whenever I was reviewing Millennium, I said that Millennium was actually human, he just has a thing on his face for his suit. Well, his face is Qui-Gon. Qui-Gon Jinn, yeah. Pretty awesome. So, anyway. Not really much. Black legs, an adventurer's torso, Qui-Gon's face, and a black pirate's bandana thing. He's got a large ion pistol. Maybe it's an ion blaster. I've forgotten the name of the guns that I have for it. Whenever I get to Grave Walkers, you'll see these again. He also comes with a map, and of course, an old adventurer's map, of all things. So, yeah, and it's out to find the red crystal. Where's the red crystal? Here it is. See, I even included the red crystal. That way, everything could be complete. And actually, in the picture that I have for Heatstroke, awesome looking picture, really cool. It's artistic kind of. It actually shows a shadow going way out, and it's all in frame and everything. And he's looking for the red crystal, and it turns out it's actually right behind him. So, anyway. The Dune Grinder is actually one of 4 of these little mini ships that I made. It was just little ships that had tons of little greebles on it. They were really cool, and 3 of them ended up becoming LBHA. Ooh, sorry about that. Whoa, I just completely kicked the camera. Where was it? 3 of them actually made it into becoming LBHA sets. One of them didn't. It's somewhere, and I don't know whether or not I should review it. You guys should tell me, but I don't get a lot of feedback from you guys. So, hopefully that'll change soon. Anyway. Very cool. I love this ship. It's so awesome. Comes with engine stuff in front, engine stuff in back, completely greebled up. If you guys can see the little slots that are on these wedge plates, those work as air vents. Those back there work as air vents. Jet propulsion stuff here, exhaust stuff there. And it really works to be in the desert too, because it's a nice design, everything. It works. Machine gun things that are just really binoculars. They work very well as guns. On the bottom, I've got these 5 wheels. What do these 5 wheels do? Well, one, they spin. That should go without saying. I mean, they're wheels. They should spin. But they're actually supposed to be fans. And I used this on Han Domo as well, to where he's got fans to propel himself. Yeah. So, yeah. Really cool. Just really, really cool. I like it a lot. As I've said, I can't get enough of this ship. I mean, if someday I become a LEGO designer, I'm going to see if this can become a set, because it's tons of fun. Perfect size for a stocking stuffer set. It has nice snot building. Also has some funky angles. And overall, just amazing. It's cool, and it works. And yeah. So, and this review is basically going to be one of the standard reviews for, so far, Team Dune. About 5 or 6 minutes. So, anyway, this has been MCLegoboy with Heatstroke and Dune Grinder. Thanks for watching.